Say what you want about a pellet smoker, but days like today make me very thankful I have one. Today we are using Traeger, which is, I know, blasphemy considering I'm using the Rectech, but we're using their signature maple cherry hardwood blend. Put the whole bag in there. That's one great thing about the Rectech. It has a big hopper, a big bend. You can fit a lot. I think just about 40 pounds you can fit in there, and this is a 20 pounds. Today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while. I'm going to do some absolutely amazing looking ribs. Let's go ahead and get them prepped. Doing some St. Louis style pork spare ribs today. I got 2.28 pounds, $3.98 a pound for $9.07 for the first rack, and 3.73 pounds, a little bigger on the second rack at $14.85. Pretty decent price. Tell us in the comments what you're paying for your St. Louis style ribs in your area. They took the membrane off. That's awesome. I love it when you get ribs and the membrane's already off. That's a big set of ribs there. Guys, we're an hour in, and now I'm going to spritz. Huh, look at that. It's not like dripping down on it, so I'm not really sure where it's coming from. That's weird. I'm not sure what that is. If you guys have any idea what that is, put it down in the comments. It's in the meat itself. I'm just using apple cider vinegar here. Trying to see if it'll move, but you can. I'm not sure what that is. 250 and we're still rocking. All right, we're 2.5 hours in. Oh yeah. And so we're looking for color. Looking for that deep red mahogany color. I think we're there. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these guys. I think they look pretty perfect. Put a butter stick in each one. And I'm gonna put some on top and some around the sides. A little pineapple juice for tenderness. Create a little bowl here and dump about half of this in here on the foil. We turn the ribs over because we're trying to keep, the actual flesh of the ribs moist and get all the flavored air. If you do it on the backside, you're kind of just wasting it. So, you'll get some effect, but you'll get the most effect by flipping your ribs over. You want to wrap them fairly tight. Now, if you want to, you can easily go up to 275 at this point. But I'm going to just keep trucking along right at 250. I like that nice low and slow. All right, we had 2.5 hours uncovered and an hour 15 minutes wrapped. Literally just going between the bones here and just probing the meat. If it feels like room temperature butter, it's done. If it's got resistance, got to let them go a little longer. and I think it's perfect. When they're moist, it just goes right through them. So now I'm gonna flip them over and we're gonna sauce these guys. So we're trying to save just enough time, cooking time, so we don't dry them out, but we can get this sauce to caramelize. Going with this amazing Duke's Tennessee Smoke and Whiskey. Oh man, you see how the meat's receding from the bone? These guys they're very close to wanting to come off here. And that's just gonna caramelize, take some smoke into it. Now I'm gonna hit them with that one more time in about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna pull them off and just set them in the oven, wrapped up for about an hour. Right now we're gonna leave them open, let them take on some smoke, and let that sauce caramelize. Oh man, it feels perfect. It smells perfect. It tastes perfect. It is perfect.